ladies and gentlemen, to join us today. I, Prajakta Patel,
And I am Bhavesh Kumar.
we have gathered here to share our ideas and thoughts on the topic legal implications surrounding social media and a paramount of privacy.
So, here we are going to discuss about what is social media, what is privacy, how social media can affect your privacy, what are the steps that government have taken, and the real life scenarios which social media has directly affected a person's privacy. So, Prajakta, the dais is open, so we can sit and let's get started with our speech.
Gathered to share our thoughts and idea on legal implications surrounding social media with a particular focus on the paramount issue of privacy.
So, Prajakta, what is privacy?
Basically, privacy refers to the individual fundamental rights to manage their personal information and decide how, when and to whom it should be shared. It involves maintaining boundaries and independence in various aspects of life. Privacy takes various forms such as controlling your personal data, bodily autonomy, confidential communication and many more. It is a crucial for upholding individual dignity, autonomy and liberty in our modern interconnected society. Bhavesh, what is social media?
So let's discuss about social media. Social media compromises online platforms and websites where user can generate, distribute and engage with content as well as connect with other within the digital communities. These platforms support diverse forms of communication including text, messages, audios, videos, enabling individual, group and interest to share, update their views and information. So particularly these are common social media platforms including Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat where people share their ideas and expressions.
So, let us begin by acknowledging the fundamental right to privacy in various international conventions and national constitutions. The right to privacy encompasses not only the protection of personal information but also the freedom from unwarranted instructions into one's private affairs. In an age where our life is increasingly lived online, safeguarding the rights became more crucial. So Bhavesh, how does social media affects your privacy?
Yeah. Privacy plays a crucial role in shaping how individual engages with social media platform on a daily basis. Users constantly balance their desire to share personal content with the need to protect their privacy, often adjusting privacy setting to control one who can view their information. Believe it or not, it is us who always give our personal information online intentionally or unintentionally. Out of the internet users, one third admits knowing nothing about their personal information, which is available online. Tons of cyber information available online has opened the gates for new legal challenges for which adequate laws are needed to be formed.
Now, let's discuss the law dealing with the breach of privacy referred with social media and also the remedies under Indian law regarding social media. So here is the main crux. The right to privacy deemed a fundamental entitlement by the Supreme Court of India, that is Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Section 66A, 66E and 69A of Indian Information Technology Act 2000 gives power to arrest anyone sending messages, text or content on social media that could be deemed to be offensive. The government have the authority to monitor, decrypt and intercept any information that is not consistent with the provision of the government. Also, Indian Penal Code (IPC) is addressed as the criminal code of India aimed at covering all the essential areas of criminal law. Anyone found guilty of a crime, social media is punishable under the provision of IPC. Can you cite any case?
Yeah, this concept of privacy breach can be known in the case of Shreya Singhal versus the Union of India. It was held that it is the duty of the Facebook to remove any material posted by them which is objectionable, and this has to be done by Facebook applying its discretion after complaints regarding the same were received by the company.
What are the steps taken by the government?
So, if we need to discuss about the steps that are taken by the government, in recent time, the government had amended many acts to take stringent actions against the individuals or entity breaching the privacy. Like the government of India has popularly banned the TikTok application, suspecting and providing evidence of breaches of privacy of contract. Additionally, they have also banned the popular gaming known as PUBG, having suspect that these kind of games are sending the information to other countries and on this basis. So there are some precautions that need to be taken by the individuals, which will be discussed by you.
If you fail to protect your personal information from online hackers, the damage to you can be huge. This can range from stealing your social security benefits, filing of compensation claims, using your credit cards, and making monetary transactions in their name. It can also cause sexual predators, cyber stalking, defamation, and identity thefts have also become in focus. How can you be secured by this?
Yes, because when you see social medias have two-factor authentication, which provides you an option so that your social media application can be secured one more time, so that you will receive any kind of messages regarding that information that anyone is using your application or identity. And another is setting up a strong password, which denotes that you are not using the same password for different kinds of accounts, and having a different password for different accounts. Setting up a password such as they are having uppercase, lowercase, numericals, and other symbols, so that you set a strong password so hackers cannot hijack your account.
What does it mean by having no common passwords?
No common password means that you are not setting the same password. Such as if you are setting your 123 password in your Instagram ID, and you are not setting the same password as 123 in your Facebook, so that you are setting 345. So it's different.
So guys, now you have got an idea about legal implication of social media on your privacy. So we have discussed what is privacy, what is social media, how social media affects your privacy, what are the legal remedies that you can follow to protect your personal privacy. What should be in conclusion? How would you like to conclude, Bhavesh?
So it can be concluded that there is a much need to be done in the social media and the right to privacy. There is an urgent need for development of unique and comprehensive status encompassing in this area. There are requirement of stringent laws so that these kind of breaches can be strictly punished.
There is also a need of proper implication of guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India in the various cases related to privacy and social media.
So Prajakta, before we totally conclude our session, I think we should give them some real life scenarios.
Real life scenarios. We can experience cyberbullying if we talk about the real life scenario. What is cyberbullying? Basically, when bullying is done on an online platform, it's called cyberbullying. Cyberbullying, basically people who are very famous like politicians, actors, actress, Instagram influencers, they face this cyberbullying because many people many people aim to defame their personality, their identity on a social platform. And then next we can talk about the false information, where a hacker can easily get your information by Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform where you upload your
personal data and information. So in real life example, we can also take the hacking of Twitter accounts of different personalities such as BJP politicians whose account got hacked, and there were requests that you should send us money, they are in requirement of money, and many popular politicians' IDs got hacked and misused, and false information were spread with them. And other is the malware attack that are made. So malware is basically they create a bug in which unfortunately or fortunately you just intentionally or unintentionally install that bug, so that bug totally affects your computer system and steals all the personal data that you are having, and it is shared for their misuse.